Have you got a knife on you?
Oh yeah, I got a knife.
Don't be silly, that's a file.
No, that's a knife. Oh look.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. It is a knife. If you're like me and wondering how the hell do you turn a file into a knife, well, stick around. I'm going to show you how. Don't worry, Norris, I'll bring your bowl back. Just got to make this quick mark. I mark out the shape and I'm off to the vise to make some sparks. Be careful not to heat the steel too much or you'll ruin the hardness. Time for a couple of test pokes. Poke, poke. She's looking pretty pokey. Now I've got my rough shape, I'm off to the grinder to put an edge on the bastard. Unfortunately, we had an electrical issue. My Sparky mate quickly came and fixed it for us. He thinks that wire goes there. Oh yep, we're back on. Nice work.
It's getting there.
We're starting to look pretty happy with ourselves. Alright, so I've got the tang done. Now I've just got to do my handle. I've got this bit of timber that I found laying around. I'm just going to lop it to length. Oh. Usually when I do that, it just like breaks in two. Hey, voiceover guy.
Yes.
Can you edit it so when I go bang like that, she just breaks in half?
Of course I can.
Cheers, mate. I split the timber in two again, mark around the tang with a pencil and hit it with the router. We'll snap it all together and then you've got the most pig dog ugly looking handle you've ever seen. Off to the grinder again. We want it to look like a handle, not a block of wood. If you're anything like me, you've got epoxy resin just laying around the house for these kinds of occasions. So make up a brew, then generously apply it to your handle both sides. That's looking good. Click it all together, clamp him up. Now we've actually got something that looks like a knife. I just want to fine tune it with the belt sander. Oh my god, what's happened here? We spend the next 10 to 20 hours sharpening, polishing, getting it looking nice for the thumbnail of this video. Oh, yep, starting to look pretty good. What the fuck is that? And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and makes me feel good. Thank you again.